Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 28th May 2024. In this video, let us identify bullish and bearish trade setups for short-term income trades. That is nothing but daily income trade and hourly income trade. So before generation of these reports, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. So at our channel, click on this community tab, you get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to all the training lessons. Just click on this link. Now we are into the supply demand zone price action course. So here you have all the training videos are available. You just need to scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, you have all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new YouTube video or any other important updates, we'll provide in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation. So first we will generate a bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes time frame. And bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. In bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, I am selecting the value bullish. Now with this we can generate bullish trade setup zones, but we don't want them. We want to filter further. For that I want to add 3 more additional filters. The first filter is pierced zones. I don't want pierced zones. I want to filter them. To filter the pierced zones, you need to set the pierced count as 0. See the last parameter on this page, pierced count. So because our entry time frame is 15 minutes, in 15 minutes you need to set the minimum value as 0, and maximum value as 0, which indicates pierced count should be 0. And we will second filter zone achievement. We will trade only zones having achievement violated opposing zone, VOZ, otherwise we don't trade. And third filter is a minimum odd enhancer score. We trade on the zones having a minimum odd enhancer score 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. That's why we set the value 12. Now all the 3 filters are applied to the entry time frame 15 minutes and entry zone demand zone. They will not be applied to supply zones, or they will not be applied to other time frames. Only 15 minutes demand zone only, all the filters are applied. Now with this, let us generate the report. 5 stocks are filtered. Now all these 5 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. Now you taking this leg in timestamp and leg out timestamp and base candle count, you can draw the zones on your charts. But don't trade directly. Lesson 20, the checklist. Whatever the checklist I explained, check with the checklist. The RR should be there. The zone should have a fine-tuned 5-minute zone to verify institutional order flow. Then only you have to plan the trades. If the checklist is supported, then you can keep them in our watch list. Okay, this is about bullish trade setup. Now let us generate the bearish trade setup. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup for daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes, but bearish trade setup, entry zone should be supply zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 15 minutes time frame, you need to change the value to bearish. And whatever the 3 filters, that is pierced count, zone achievement, minimum odd enhancer score, these filters are applied to 15 minute supply zone this time, not to the demand zones. So let us filter the stocks. Only one stock is filtered. That means currently only one stock is supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. And moreover, the stock is moving towards the supply zone. Okay, now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for the hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. Entry zone is a demand zone. And in bullish or bearish trade setup, in 5 minutes time frame, we need to select the value bullish because we are generating bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. And as usual, 3 filters we need to set. The first filter is for not having pierced zones. For that, pierced count should be 0. So in 5 minutes time frame, because this is the entry zone, minimum value I am setting the value 0 and maximum value I am setting the 0. That means the zone pierced count should be 0 and zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. Minimum odd enhancer score should be 12 for bullish or bearish trade setups. Now these 3 filters are applied to 5 minutes demand zone. Now let us filter the stocks. 4 stocks are filtered which are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Now let us look for bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes, but bearish trade setup entry zone should be supply zone, and also in bullish or bearish trade setup 5 minutes time frame we need to change the value to bearish. And the 3 filters what you already said, they are applied to 5 minutes supply zone. Now let us generate the report. 8 stocks are filtered. These 8 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. Nifty Financial Services is there, but it is moving between high liquidity demand zone and supply zone. Okay, this is about bullish and bearish trade setups for daily and hourly income trades. Now final report, let us generate the stop buffers based on daily ATR. I am generating the stop buffers. So this is the daily ATR. And 5% ATR you have to use it for DIT trades, 3% ATR you have to use it for HIT trades. And the first 17 in this list are sectorial indices, remaining all are equity stocks, but they have taken from F&O list. So I am scrolling the list down. Each time when I scroll down, I give you only few seconds time to watch the report. So any of the stock you want to refer, please pause the video. So I am scrolling the list down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information will be useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.